check out this brand new Audi RSQ3 that's coming to the workshop. We're going to be tuning it up. Literally, it is spec to the bollocks. It's literally got everything. He's ordered it from the factory. It's come 4 months early from the factory. Right now, it's got 178 miles on it. He's literally picked it up. He's brought it straight down to us. He saw our previous YouTube video. He saw our work. He wanted to bring it to us straight away. He's brought it down. He's had a couple of chats with us. But literally, this car is specced out. It's got the lovely interior. So this Audi RSQ3 is the 4-sprung. It's the highest spec that you could buy. It comes specced with everything, the sound system, the seats. The best thing about this car is the color of the car. It is green. It stands out. It is literally eye candy, yeah? And what we're going to be doing with this car is we're going to be tuning the engine, we're going to be tuning the gearbox, remove all the rev limiters, and also we're going to be removing the OPF filter, and we're going to obviously, of course, disable that from the ECU. It is going to go onto our dyno. We've just brought it out now on a road test. It's got an OPF filter. What does the OPF filter do? It literally restricts everything. The sound doesn't sound amazing from outside at all. That's number one. Number two, the throttle response is poor. You're waiting for the turbo to spool up, but literally you're just waiting, and then bang, all of a sudden it's kicking in. So hopefully that will all just go. So guys, I'm just going to take it on a road test, just get a feel of it, and then of course I'm going to take it out after as well and get a feel of it then. So the customer's main issue is that the throttle response, and it's got no sound whatsoever. So removing that OPF filter, it's not going to make it much louder, but it will make it deeper, and it will transform the throttle response. So like right now, I put in sport mode, it's in RS mode, put the gearbox in sport, put my foot down, waiting, there we are. See that? Literally, it does kick, don't get me wrong, this car's got a wicked kick to it, but it could be better, it could be way better. We're going to get it up to 500 brake horsepower, tune up the gearbox, faster shifts, better launch control. I don't think the customer's going to launch it, if I'm honest with you. This car sounds wicked on the inside, but it's got speakers that make it sound like it's a beastful car, which I guess it is in a way for what it is. You know what I mean? 2.5 TFSI. It is rapid. It is a beastful car, really. If you think about it, 400 brake horsepower, and soon is going to be pushing 500 brake. So that is mad. But yeah, literally lag. Here we are. There's the turbo kicking in. Yeah, no, it's a fast car. It kicks. But definitely could be faster. Like, it's rapid. I'll be honest, it is rapid. This car's on steroids, literally. Like, it feels nice and high up. Alright guys, so we're going to be fitting the inventory induction kit now. So currently this is the existing stock induction kit. Quite boring, quite dull, very restrictive, doesn't sound too good. What we're going to be doing is fitting this beautiful thing right here. Now check that out, look at that filter right there. Looks like a speaker really. So we're going to be fitting this. This is going to allow more airflow into the engine. It's going to sound way better. And literally look at this kit, like this kit, all carbon fiber. Yeah, that's some of it right there. And this part here, this is the beautiful part here. This is gonna sit right here. This is gonna look wicked as well, yeah? But look, let me just show you what this one sounds like now, yeah? I'm just gonna rev it up. And then we'll see what it sounds like. All right, guys, so the RSQ3 is finally done, yeah? So we've just fitted the inventory induction kit, looking sick. We put it on the dyno just to get the final power figures. Customer wants to know what it's finally pushing with the mods that we've done. It does sound better. The throttle response is better. The acceleration is better. The inventory induction kit definitely makes a difference. Just check it out. Look at that, beautiful carbon fiber. So basically, in terms of this RSQ3, we've done nice and straightforward modifications. We've done the OPF delete, we've done the engine remap, the gearbox remap, and we fitted the inventory induction kit. It is pushing 502 brake horsepower. We didn't go all out with it. Really, if you wanted to go full power, he needed to have a D-cat if he wants the best power that you can get out of it. These cars for us are nice and easy to tune. The engine's not a problem, the gearbox isn't a problem. If you have any questions, just give us a call, ask the question, and we can tune your cars. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, what was your character's name in Gavin. Alright, we've got Gavin over here. Alright,
I ain't filming yet. I was just getting it easy.
Okay.
Hey, listen, does the camera hurt you? Does the camera hit you? When you're on the camera, does it hit you?
What do you mean?
Like, as it looks, so now we're in front of a camera, it's recording. Does it make you feel any? Nah. That's it, you just relax.
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
No, that's it.
Okay.
I was just testing you. What was the series that you was in again?
Sherlock.
Sherlock. If you've seen Sherlock, that's Gavin right there. This is his Audi RSQ3. Wicked car, wicked colour, and a wicked guy as well. Lovely guy.
Thanks, man.